Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to set up a table that you can easily use for your sofa and again for your bed. I'm super excited about it and yes guys, so again super excited to see. And yes, so it basically comes in this box and let me see what's inside. I'm super curious to find out how easy it would be to set up, and I believe I just got it like this on top. And yes guys, we will see exactly what's inside. And I feel like it is definitely very well protected in a package, as you can see right here. And yeah, so basically I'm just sliding it out, and what I can see is the instructional manual already, which I find super helpful that it is included. And yeah, so basically there is everything step by step in here. And I actually don't really see any screws, so I'm not sure we need them, which definitely makes a difference if we don't, right? So I'm just going to open it up and familiarize myself with all the components. And yes, so far I feel like it's definitely a great quality. It's not super heavy, which I prefer. And yes guys, so these two tubes I believe have to do something with each other, and also with this one, as well as also this one. And wow, looks like I'm super excited to find out what these are for. This is a cup holder. Look how cool. Wow, this chair actually has a cup holder, and you can actually have it like this. Wow, that's definitely a surprise, a great addition. And yes, now I feel very familiar with all of the components. So let's see where do we start. So number one is a U-tube. Center right clip with a small knob on the U-tube. Okay, so I believe the table, and oh, right here. And it says to snap. I believe these are snapping parts, right? Okay. So, all right, I see these. So it kind of has to be like that. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, so let's just do that exactly how I understood it. Oh, so I'm snapping it inside this plastic. Okay, so let's see how strong I am. Oh, you can still move it after, so just feel free to push it in like this. So it is in. Super cool. All right, and seems very sturdy, as you guys can see. Then step number 2, squeeze solid rod and snap into them large holes in the U-tube. Okay, solid rod, which is, I believe, this one, and it probably goes in here. Okay, so as you guys can see right here and right here, so it is in. Oh my god, I love that there is no screwing involved. And then snap solid rod into the small hooks and under rise of the table. Small. Oh guys, so basically this is what controls your height, right? So you can see these hooks, right? So based on which angle you would prefer, you would use these hooks. How cool is that? All right, and then squeeze pins into the side legs on the U-tubes. And I believe we're talking about these. Okay, and also you see this is how you adjust your height, basically by I'm wondering which way. Should I do it this way, and if it even matters? I believe this way. I mean, logically, yes. Okay, let's see. Oh, again, I like how easy it is to just set up, right? So if I need to push it out, it's easy, so there's like no mistakes, which is nice. So based on the height, you can adjust it. All right, So I'm going to do the same on the other side now. All right. Okay, I'm in this level right now. Okay. Okay, let's see if I pushed it in the correct direction. Yeah, looks like I did. Looks like I did. Okay. So again, guys, it already looks like a table. I'm wondering, did I set it up? I did. Oh my God, it's already done. Wow, how cool is that? And also they show you that for storage you can actually basically move these in. And yes, guys, here is the table. Again, you can choose the angle, right? So you can basically write on it, you can eat on it, you can do so much. So let me push it higher and show you. Okay. Again, it's my first time using it, but I feel like everything is super sturdy. And again, if you don't want, basically this is how you can level it higher, lower, right? So again, it is up to you. So right now it is completely straight, as you can see. And yes, I feel like it definitely didn't take me that much time to set it up, and it's going to be a great addition for me and my family.